Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Roblox your access to voice chat has been suspended. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. This is an error that can occur when you have violated Roblox community standards. Solution 1. Wait for the suspension to expire. Most of the time, you will be suspended for a short period of time such as 7 days or 30 days. During this time, you will not be able to use voice chat on Roblox. Once the suspension has expired, you will be able to use voice chat again. Solution 2. Contact Roblox support if you believe that you were suspended without any reason. You can contact Roblox support. They will be able to investigate the matter and determine if your suspension was justified. Additional notes. You can check the status of your suspension by going to the Roblox website and clicking on your avatar, then click on the settings tab and scroll down to the account management section. Under the account restrictions heading, you will see the status of your suspension. If you have been suspended for violating Roblox community standards, you will receive an email from Roblox. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.